Well, there's a first time for everything, and we actually didn't get retail packaging in our review sample, but we'll go over some specs all the same. This is the iReader Ocean 2, and this is the brand new, latest generation of this 7-inch line of e-readers from iReader. It has 1680 by 1264 resolution at 300 ppi with a 72.4% body to screen ratio. It also has a whopping 128 gigs on board. It has an 1800 milliamp battery along with onboard audio. Alright, let's unbox this really quick. There we go. We actually did get a USB-C cable though, and obviously when you buy this you will get yours with retail packaging. But this is the device itself. It is an Oasis-esque kind of layout. We can say that because, well, the Oasis was primarily the first one to do this kind of asymmetrical ledger design with up and down keys. You also have USB-C up top with microphone, and you have a power button, and on the bottom you have a speaker pack. That is really nice. On the back you can see they actually did away with the peripheral point where they had these little copper contact points for different cases and extended batteries and all that kind of stuff. The Smart line has that, but the Ocean does not. They don't have any pins on any of the sides whatsoever. Now, recently we have seen companies like Hisense and Hanvon and even Bigme and Goyu even accept and embrace English operating systems. Has iReader done the same as being one of the most influential players in the industry? Let's see. Now, we were able to find some English in the back end of the developer options like touch, test, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and even the EPD, which is the electronic paper display. You can tap around on that to calibrate it. Unfortunately, the unit itself does not have any English right now, but this could change. We have talked to several companies already in the past couple months like Bigme and Goyu and even Xiaomi, and they have subsequently added English to their e-paper products after the fact and after we brought it to their attention. So it is absolutely not out of the realm of possibilities that with a software update that they will be able to put English on here, because iReader, being as influential as they are in the industry with a robust line of both e-readers, e-notes, and digital stationery, they very well could take this initiative and this move via over-the-air updates. This is everything that comes in the box, we assume, with the brand new iReader Ocean 2, 300 ppi, 128 gigs onboard storage. Stay tuned for the full review coming up soon. For GOOD EREADER.com, this is Peter.